Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to History Chronicles. Today we will explore the Linux ping command. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell. The ping command, ping, in Linux is a network troubleshooting tool used to check whether a remote host is reachable over IP network. The command works by sending ICMP echo requests packets to a target and waiting for echo responses. This allows you to measure round trip time, RTT, round trip time, and detect packet loss, which helps evaluate connectivity and basic network performance. So in this guide, I'll demonstrate how to use Linux ping command with practical examples and review useful alternatives. The basic syntax of ping command is ping options, hostname, or IP address of host. The options are optional parameters that modify how the command behaves. Multiple options can be combined as needed. So let's run ping without any option. For example, ping google.com. Control C. By default, the command continues sending ICMP echo request indefinitely until you manually stop it using Control C. The ping output provides several useful important details from display the destination host name and resolved IP address. This is destination host name. This is IP address. Keep in mind that the IP address may vary depending on your geographical location due to DNS load balancing. ICMP sequence 1, sequence 2, sequence 3, 4, and so on indicate the sequence number of the ICMP packet. This increments by 1 with echo request sent. TTL, time to leave value, range from 1 to 255. It defines how many layers, 3 hops the packet can traverse before being discarded by a router. Time, the round trip time, showing how long the packet took to reach the destination and return, measured in milliseconds. Next, we will examine the most commonly used ping command options. The ping command includes multiple options that allow you to fine-tune connectivity testings. You can control how many echo requests are sent, adjust packet size, define wait times, and modify output behaviors. So, you see, ping option you can run man ping. The primary purpose of the ping command is to verify network connectivity to a website or another host. However, it's also widely used for diagnostics network problems, identifying latency issues, detecting packet loss, and even isolating malfunctioning devices within network. If you're unable to reach a website or remote host, you can test your local network state by pinging ping local host. This helps you verify that the TCP/IP stack and local interface are functioning correctly. You can use any of the following command: ping 0. So as I already run it, ping localhost, use hostname localhost, which points to your own system. Let's clear the screen. And ping 127.0.0.1 directly targets the loopback IP address of your host machine. All three methods test the same local interface and the output will be identical regardless of which command you use. You can also specify the Internet Protocol version. IPv6 is a newer IP addressing standard designed to replace IPv4 due to IPv4 address exhaustion. While IPv4 uses 32-bit numeric format, IPv6 uses 102 28-bit of a numeric format, providing a significantly larger space. Use -6, ping -6, and destination hostname or IP address to send a simple request over IPv6, and use ping -4, for example, google.com, to use IPv4. This is useful when hosts support both protocols and you want to test connectivity of a specific IP version. So, also you can adjust time interval between ping requests. By default, ping send one async request per second. You can modify this interval using -a option. Decrease the interval, specify the value less than 1. For example, ping minus I 0.5 google.com. This command sends ping every half seconds, 0.5 seconds. To increase the interval, provide value greater than 1, such as ping -a to google.com. To send one request every 2 seconds, you can change the ping packet size. Let's first Control-C, clear the screen. By default, ping sends 56 bytes of data. The output often shows 56, something like that, 56 bytes, where 84 includes additional 28 bytes of async and IP headers. You can modify the payload size using -s option. For example, ping -s 1000 google.com. This is useful for testing MTU, maximal transmission unit limits, detecting fragmentation issues, and evaluating how the network handles larger packets. This option is useful when testing network performance. You can test it if a network link throttles when you increase the packet size to a few thousand bytes. There are also flood mode. The -F option sends ICMP equal requests as fast as the system can transmit them, generating a high volume of traffic. This is typically used to stress test network performance or evaluate how device handles heavy load. Because flood mode can significantly impact network resources, it requires root privileges. So you can run ping -f google.com. So let's run via sudo Control-A. Sorry, I made mistake in this way. Control-C. Use this option very carefully as it can overwhelm network device. The output prints a dot every sent package and backspace for every response. The statistics line shows a summary of the ping command. Here you can see statistics. To automatically stop ping after sending a specific number of echo requests, you can use -C option. Let's clear the screen again. Ping -C to google.com. So -C option followed by desired number of packets. Enter. This command sent exactly two async requests and then terminates automatically displaying the summary statistics. You can see packet loss, RTT, and other information. If you want ping to run only a fixed duration, use this. For example, ping w55 google.com. This command run ping for 25 seconds and then stop automatically, displaying the final statistics summary. So let's Control-C, clear the screen. If you prefer to see only the final statistics instead of details for every packet, use -Q, quiet option. This suppresses per packet output and display only the summary at the end. -Q option is often combined with other parameters. For example, ping -C send 10 packets and show only summary -Q -C 10 -Q google.com. This command sends 10 ICMP requests and prints only the overall result, such as packet loss and average RTT. As you can see from output, you only see the statistics and inform RTT time, minimum, average, maximum time, packet loss, and other useful information. If you need to record the exact time each ping is sent or received, use -d option. Ping -d google.com. So as you can see here, it adds timestamp. This is especially useful for logging, troubleshooting intermittent connectivity issues, or correlating ping result with the system or network logs. You can check ping utility version on your system by appending -v option. Ping -v. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, support me, like and share. See you in the next video.